this video, we are going to Valorant critical error has occurred. So first, you need to go to your client and go to settings, and here you can see the Valorant is there, and click the repair. Yes, start repair. It take a couple of seconds to repairing the files if you have any issues. So you need to patient. Yes, once completed the successfully, it's okay. Then go back, and you need to second step, you need to go to task manager. Yes, in the task manager, go to startup apps and scroll down and check the real client services and yes, the real client services and BG tray is available or not, and it should be in enable mode. Yes, check this too should be in enable mode. Yes, and go to performance and check the CPU performance. If it's going 100 percentage, if it's touching the 100 percentage, that means your processor is giving the high performance, so you need to change the disk. So third step, you need to go to services. Yes, in this scroll down, and you need to check for VGC. Yes, scroll down and check for VGC. Yes, the VGC, it should not be in disable mode, it should be in enable automatic and running mode. Okay, so go and click automatic type, and service status should be running mode. Yes, yes, after that you need to click OK and go back. Yes, and step 4, go to settings, and here you need to go for a Windows update. Yes, sometimes up to date is recommended, so check for update, and any install pending items, so that means you need to install it and download and install it. And after step 5th, you need to go to a Valorant, right click and go for properties. Yes, in this, go to compatibility and check the run the program as administrator should be in enable, and disable full screen authentication. It should be in disable mode. Make sure it. And after all this completed, go and restart your PC one time.